Hi there, welcome to Grandma Janice Builds Legos. I'm Grandma Janice. We have our friend Lego Sue with us today. We originally were talking about doing the blue parrot. You see the blue parrot here is set number 31136 with 253 pieces. I knew when I bought the blue parrot that there was a pink parrot that had been retired. And in between us picking this and trying to do it, I actually got the pink parrot. It's set number 31144, 253 pieces. In comparing the builds, just looking at them, initially I thought they had just done the pink for the blue or the blue for the pink in the build. But as you look closer, you can see the pink parrot has different colors on the wing, but it has the same pieces. So we're going to be crazy ladies because we can be. I'm going to build the pink one. Lego Sue's going to build the blue one. And then eventually I will build the blue one offline or for short or whatever to see. But we may have some interesting conversations since we'll be putting pieces together and it's going to be telling us different colors. But the piece style size looks to be exactly the same. The flowers look the same, just different colors. The two other builds for the fish and the frog, they look like they're the same except for different colors. So, are you ready to open Lego Sue? All right, here we go. I got punch tabs. You got punch tabs, right?
Yep, two push tabs.
Oh, that wouldn't even let go of the second one. Oh, I forgot with the
I
creators,
have paper bags.
we don't get we don't get numbered bags.
Oh,
I forgot. So I don't know when we'll pause. You may have to look at us forever.
right.
We are doing the parrot. So I'm going to put the frog and the fish aside.
I'm going to go ahead and open mine because I can't see.
Oh, that's right. You can't see
I
any.
have paper and you have plastic because yours is an older kit.
Yeah, yeah. I'm having this thing of like, I don't even know. I don't have that much room. So did you just open one? How do you know what bag? You open the biggest bag?
Yeah, that's the one I did.
Okay.
I think, let me check. It says to open all three bags.
All right. I do have an extra tray that my husband was like, why is this kitchen pan in the room here with the towel on it? I'm like, because it's for my backup Lego. Because so I did go to some people say they use cookie sheets. I didn't use a cookie sheet. I used the bottom of a broiler tray because it's a little deeper.
Oh,
I might I'm gonna risk it. I'm open them all here, but I'm gonna do four corners.
a lot of small pieces, a lot of small pieces. All right.
And I gotta remember to look at the blue box, I mean the pink box, not the blue box. Let me move that. Let me move that. So the pink box is here. It's off camera, but I can see it.
One more thing.
So are you cutting your paper bags or are you ripping along that dotted
I'm
line?
ripping them along there's like a perforated edge and I'm
Yeah.
ripping them and
Yeah,
they rip fine, but the little pieces really get stuck in the paper.
that's why
So
I
I got to
cut.
really make sure. And we're not going to really able, because we're doing two different colors, we might not be able to help each other here. So it'll be, uh, it'll be a free for all.
Yeah. Well, plus
Okay.
two, I'm using the book and you're using the app.
I'm using the 3D builder. Okay. I'm going to start building the base.
Ta-da!
Is your base green?
Yep.
Yes. Okay.
And then the pieces going around it are dark green.
Yeah,
Is that the same for you?
I think so. Yes, very dark green.
I call this pine green. All right, now I'm on a hunt for a piece that's not in the big bag. Oh, there it is. It is in the big bag. It was just covered. Every once in a while, I cannot get these round piece. There it went.
No, I always have problems with the round pieces.
And I
Okay, I
know
got it.
I know to line the studs up, but it doesn't always work. All right, here's that piece I need. So far, when I look up, your design looks the same. We know it's going to diverge soon. All right, where's that flat piece?
Yeah.
It's not there. What color?
Brown.
I'm looking for that brown one hole piece or taupe. Oh, here it is. It's under my book. It's in the bag with the
Yeah,
tiny
it was in
pieces.
one of the smaller bags.
What's funny is I'm wondering, if the pieces are in different bags, because usually, we can say, oh, it was in bag thus and such, or what have
Yeah,
you.
I had a big bag, a medium bag, and a small bag. And within the big bag, there was another small bag.
Right, right. So four total,
So,
right?
so four bags total.
Yep. Yep, that's what I
I,
had.
I don't, there it is.
Oh, I really jumped ahead. I didn't even look at the directions.
I'm not surprised.
I stuck that thing that I was building on top of the other stuff, and you don't do it for two more steps. Oh, I'm missing things to happen now. I got to take this apart. Oh, goodness.
Oh, well, there it is.
When I was building,
You're putting parts on, and I'm like, oh no, I think I'm seeing what you did there.
yeah.
There's more parts to it than
Oh, but it's okay because I have enough parts on. All right, I don't have to rip that much off. All right, let me go back to this.
a brown one and a black.
I wonder if other people are calling these drone pieces like we do. Um, because I've heard lots of people call the piece we call the cheese. Lots of people call that the
Okay.
cheese.
Which one are you calling? The wedge of cheese or the
Yes, the
flat
wedge of
cheese?
cheese. The wedge
The
of
wedge
cheese.
of cheese.
One, two, three, four. Oh, I do need to take apart. I am missing a piece. One, two. Here we go again. Ouch.
Oh,
Oh no, I can just push this on again.
okay. We're already putting the little floral details on here.
Oh, already?
I've got a leaf and, well, I'm not sure where, okay. Let's see if I get this. Ooh, that's tight. There. Yeah. White wheel. I don't know where you are. I look up, but I don't. White
Well,
wheel.
because I had to go back and put one more piece on that center thing, I
Okay.
pulled it completely off because it looked easier to pull it off from the bottom than the top, but now I can't get the bottom
Oh,
drone, the bottom, oh, there it goes. There it goes. There we go. The bottom drone didn't want to clip back into place,
okay.
but I got it.
3 more of those. Okay.
30. Did you say 30?
Three.
Oh,
Oh, no, 3 more. I said 3 more of those. Oh, don't scare me like that. 30.
yeah.
That's like some of the botanicals we built.
Yeah. I don't think it's pushed down in there enough. All right, we're gonna just leave it.
All right. I think it looks pink on my 3D builder, but I think they're very, oh no. No, they are. They're pink. There's some lilac ones colored too, but
What that hook
or
is. What's that hook? That arm.
they're they go
I know,
on
but
the
I
little
can't
tree
find the
stump.
piece. All right, I found it. I couldn't find the piece.
Oh, you couldn't find the piece. This was in one of the little bags.
Yeah. All right, steering wheel
I'm
time.
still missing one. Okay. Oh, we got 1, 2, 3. Oh, there it is.
Oh, that's not right.
4.
This one's wrong. When they have the floral one button studs and the one button studs themselves, I'm always grabbing the wrong one.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
All right. Oh, okay. So this technique, I did this technique on the trellis that I did yesterday and the day before.
Oh, did you work on that one?
Yeah, I did it. It should publish tomorrow.
I'm just
I did it in two steps.
I was
The
on the
little
fence on
trellis,
that
not the
one.
big trellis.
Not the big trellis one.
No, not the new one that just came out. This was one of the older ones. There was
Oh, okay.
just
Because I'm on the fence on the newer trellis. I'm not sure if I like it or not. I don't know. I'm on the fence. All right. Photos. Oh, that's easy.
so what color's your flower?
Okay.
Mine's yellow
Well, it's yellow in the center and pink on the 4 that I'm attaching to the wheel
and mine are
so far,
yellow.
and
Yep.
yellow in the center.
Yeah, I got yellow in
And
the center, but the petals I'm building are yellow with the white.
oh, mine are pink, pinkish, like a medium pink. And now there's a light colored pink that's going on next.
Now,
And
see,
then,
mine what mint green maybe?
oh, yeah,
I'm going to call this
Okay.
mint green.
Oh yeah. See, mine are more like a light pink.
Oh, did I put that on the right way? No, it needs to go the other way because the thing's going to go like that. So this orientation, aha.
Yeah. Oh, I just dropped a piece. Not on the floor. Just dropping it on the floor. Okay, yeah, the orientation, the flat part goes toward the like fork part.
Yeah, I need to look at what I'm doing closer because I think I'm getting cocky that I know what's going to happen and I just keep building along. And I'm like, wait a minute, that doesn't work. So I had to use my tool. I do have tools here. I left a teal one and an orange one case I need them when I'm building. And now the piece is stuck on the removal tool. I have to use a removal tool to get it off the removal tool. Okay, the flat piece goes in the back. Flat piece in the back.
Is that right? So, like,
Oh, oh, I almost put one on backwards again. Okay, flat piece in the back. Then
mm.
that's interesting. Wonder what flower this is pretending to be. Sometimes you can tell what the inspiration was, and sometimes it's like, okay, that's just supposed to be flower nondescript.
Sure.
Two of the
Okay.
ones on that trellis I built yesterday, I thought these kind of look like asters. I don't know if that was the inspiration or not, because they're
Well, my
that,
background, I tried to find something a flower that looks similar to the color that I'm building, which is this pink and white.
yeah.
So I have like the pink and white tulips behind me. Just crazy things I do. Is that a no? Yeah,
Okay, the green
right.
thing goes like this, that goes on there, and then I need a black button. Did you do your button yet?
Yeah, that's what I'm working on right now. Which goes, oh, that's on the back,
I know that
upside
you
down.
know how Grandma Janice does not like building upside down.
No, I was thinking, oh, we're going upside down.
Oh, this hooks up. They're kind of cute though. There we go.
It's
Well,
not
that's
fitting
kind of
on me,
cute.
right?
Huh?
Oh, there it goes. It didn't want to go on, but I got it.
All right. Yeah. All right. Look at that. We have,
Hey, we are you attaching it?
I just did.
Okay, I gotta figure out. Okay, it goes on
On that
the
arm,
lower claw, and it looks like,
I
oh,
put it on that little arm that I had to attach.
8. I'm just like,
All right.
oh, I see. Okay. Well, I don't know if I, I gotta make it. It's not facing straight up like in the picture though. It's
Oh, yeah, it's on an angle. In the picture
mine
on my
is, yeah.
box,
So
it's
I
on
think
an
I have one
angle.
of these. I think I have one of these things because I can't turn it. Oh, wait a minute. I need to turn this.
I might be missing one of my yellow buttons.
I'm
Oh,
missing.
I'm using the buttons and I'm supposed to use in the floral. Ugh.
All right, I'm still not thinking. I'm thinking I have.
Did you? I just hooked it onto this thing here. It,
It's straight out, and I'm just wondering if I have something on the trunk or the stem facing
um,
in the wrong
do you
direction.
do you it won't let you angle it down? It's holding on to
I think I have it in. I think I have that brown claw in the wrong place. So hang on. I'm just going to move it over.
well, it's supposed to go on the brown claw. Oh, you moving the
I know,
holder.
but my brown
Your brown
oh,
claw was in the wrong spot.
the brown claw is in the way. That doesn't help. So I think I have those. They're right. Oh, no. See how they're like right on top of each other?
Yeah, yeah. My brown claw is on top of one of the drone hooks, and then
That's
it and
backwards.
then that claw hangs out and grabs a hold to that flower. And then the
Yeah, I
flower goes on
know.
the angle just like the picture.
I am. And now, because
Although although now I'm going back and looking and I
maybe I have this angled wrong.
no
I'm taking the whole thing off. I'm wondering if I have this
no, it goes on the claw.
my button on the wrong place. I'm going back.
All right. Well, I already put the wrong buttons on and had to
Yeah,
redo.
so
So,
I have this facing this. That's right. Sorry. I thought I was doing well. And all right, this is, well, I gotta take these. All right, this is
you want
here.
me to pause for everybody for you to catch up? I'm gonna pause.
This is here.
All right, Lego Sue, tell us what you did and
All
what you
right.
had to
What
fix.
I did wrong was the back part of this flower. I was attaching the brown claw thing um right side up instead of upside down. So it was at the wrong angle, so it couldn't bend, so it faces out away from the major stem. It was just flat up against the stem because I had the brown, oh, trying this brown piece attached upside down. Basically, I put it on with the flower upside down instead of right side up. So it's all fixed now. Thank God. Sometimes I just make myself crazy. Okay, so are we moving forward? It looks like
Yep,
we're
yep.
building another flower.
I'm starting on the second steering wheel after, well,
That.
I don't know if you saw on this steering wheel, you need the floral yellow versus the button yellow button.
Oh, yes, yes. Oh,
That's why I didn't have enough. I'm like, how could I not have enough?
oh, okay. Yes, there are the floral ones. Okay. Now I need three of those.
And the purple in the book looks pink to me, so I was looking for pink pieces, but it's actually
Mhm.
a lavender. Okay, the flat side goes to the back.
Okay.
Did you collect the Pokemon codes to see if you could
Oh,
win anything?
No, I did
Today,
not.
today is the last day
Uh,
to do that. But
I'm not really into Pokemon,
I'm
but
not either, but I was doing it to see if I could win a prize. If I won a prize, I'd give it to the son-in-law. Um,
well, isn't the next minifigs they're supposed to be Pokemon, right?
I don't
Or are
know.
they? I can't remember. I thought I saw something, but then half the time I don't know if it's real on Facebook or not anymore.
Yeah, yeah,
Sometimes stuff just looks like AI. You never know what's going on
yeah.
anymore.
Well, the
So I try
one,
not to.
yeah, the one I got yesterday, um, was an Eevee Pokemon that was the craft queen that was bouncing on a bunch of yarn. So, of course it says Lego. So Lego is me, the craft yarn, my daughter crochets a ton, and my son-in-law is the Pokemon dude. So I
Mhm.
said, who is this for? Is this for Tristan or is this for Janice or is this for Bailey? And my daughter replied, no, it's for Bev, which is her mother-in-law, because Bev likes Eevee, which is that Pokemon. It was funny, like there was something in it for everybody. All right, where does this flower go?
Well, this
Oh,
looks exactly the same, just a different color, this flower.
yes.
So I think I've got, okay, white.
All right, we need to put another arm on. It didn't tell us to put this other arm on. Okay.
Oh, I have two arms. You mean the brown part that I had problems with?
Yeah.
I put two on originally.
Oh,
They're
well, I have.
perpendicular to each other, but at different levels.
Okay, all right. I've
That's
added
what
it.
at first I thought was the problem, that I had those facing the wrong direction, or
All
so,
right.
but it
I
was me.
somehow I somehow missed one. Okay, what do I need to do the back? I
You
need one
should
of
be able to get that on with no problem.
Yeah, yeah, I stuck it on already. So I can't find the hook. Okay, what color is the button? I need that green. All right, here's the green piece. Oh, here it is. It was under multiple pieces.
Yeah, we have a
Oh,
lot of pieces on our board because we had to open everything up.
and then we're gonna do a black button. All right, now we're gonna put this on here. All right, and this one snaps into here. Ta-da!
Different.
Yeah. So similar but different.
Oh, it's no, it's the same. It's just doing it in a different order. Or is that black or dark green? That I think
It,
it's dark green.
yeah, the curved piece is dark
Uh-huh.
green. All right, now what do we? It's interesting to me. We're building the flowers first. Usually the flowers are last. All right,
Well,
we're
this
gonna.
is all on the base. So looks like why? There we go. This is there we go. All right, so let's see if I can get this on correctly.
No, that's the right spot. Okay. Are you doing more flowers yet?
Oh, not yet. I'm still trying. There we go. All right. What's this?
I don't see this flower in the picture. Oh, there it is in the back. You have to look at the back of the box to see these flowers we're building now.
Oh, okay.
Because I'm like, I don't see this in the front of the picture. And the picture
Let me
is from
see.
this view.
Oh, let me see. Oh, yeah, I see it on the back of the box. The part with the green and then the
Yes.
frog feet. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
That's interesting. Okay.
Oops.
Oh, we have to put more fun stuff on the stem. Okay, this interesting piece and a blue technique.
What color are your frog feet?
Pardon me?
What color are your frog feet?
Kind of a lavender, a little bit darker lavender than the petal of the flower that has the lavender, but
Mine are, oh yeah, I see yours are definitely. Mine are more of a magenta.
I'm trying to figure out how to orient this piece at the
Two
top.
yellow buttons.
Right, these next thing we're doing two of. That's not the same.
Okay,
All
they
right,
go on the,
it's telling I'm gonna do two technique things the same. Oh, I guess if you turned it around, it is the same piece. I was gonna say I have three pieces that are the same length, but none of them are the same, but it was me. All right, wonder if I can put this
different.
here. That'll
Oh,
help.
you know what? I have the wrong piece down below. I'm thinking, wait a minute. That green piece at the very bottom,
Yeah.
I have it's a darker green and it's bigger. I have the wrong one on there. That goes, oh, I gotta go back. Are they at the same height? Yes. Here. And then this one down below here, I had this piece on, this little one, and it should be this piece. So
Oh,
I was like,
oh yeah.
oh, that's not right.
Yeah.
Okay, so that goes.
Although I'm thinking it looks like it's on backwards right now, but since we haven't had to do anything with it, I'm
um,
looking for another one of these. I do have, you know how I changed the blue background for a couple of those builds? I do have the
right.
blue background. Well, it was right there. I don't know where it went. Oh, it's over there. Just in case
Just in
that,
case.
yeah. Oh,
All
here it
right.
is. Here it is.
What am I doing here? I'm putting this blue Technic in the top, right? Yep.
Yep.
And then I can't see how that's oriented. Okay. Like this. I guess it doesn't. There. Okay. I need to take a sip of water.
I keep trying to orient these pieces, but it's movable, so it doesn't matter which way it's oriented.
I don't know. We'll know when we get there because it'll tell us for sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Two of each of those, and I don't know why there's a number 4 floating above it. There's a number 4 floating above these two, so maybe.
Um,
Oh,
it's
4
probably
is the size of
yes. Yeah.
that piece. Okay. All
Yeah,
right.
but I don't know if it's 4 millimeters for
It's 4 Lego units.
oh no, but they're okay, but that is a measurement, so you might be right. Stack 4 Legos on top of each other and see. Not really. We don't have time for that. Okay, I'm supposed to be putting
We'll
on,
do that later.
are those pink or are they
What is that
red?
piece? Is that a special piece? Wait a minute. Oh, that's a gray. I don't know. I've never seen this piece. That's that's different to me. Okay. We're building. Okay.
We're th these weird technique things we're doing are their legs.
They twist, it twists in there. So
Yeah.
that technique that's sitting in that black thing is not, it's just loose
Yep.
until ow. Oh, I just pinched myself. That didn't feel good. Okay.
All right. How does this go on here? All right. I need you to tell me how to insert it.
I'm
In
still
which
building
way?
it. Let me
Well,
get
when you get to the orientation, I need to know.
which way it faces.
Yeah, because I can't
Still
tell.
putting the little yellow things on.
Okay, mine were pink.
Oh, let me see. I'm like, oh, okay.
Because this
Mine are
this is their
yellow.
legs. This is their
Are
leg.
these
It's their legs.
their legs? Okay, so let's see.
Yeah.
Okay. Which way does it face?
Yeah, I need to know if
It looks like it's facing.
oh, you know what? This twists, so it doesn't matter. We'll fix it when we put the bird on.
Yeah, I think it turns, so I don't think it matters.
No, I'm sticking it on here
I'm
and we'll
just
get to
gonna
a
put
point where we need
I'm
to
gonna
know.
turn this up like this, and I'm gonna face that gray thing facing toward the flower. Oh, those are very loose.
Oh, see, this other thing turns too. So this is going to face, okay, I think that goes like this. The bit taller flower, the little base. So the blue technique piece, you can see looking straight on from the big flower. And then the
Uh-huh.
feet are going to be like that when they hold still. They don't hold still yet.
This and that. Very small. Oh, that's gray, not black. Hmm? Little those.
Why is my phone beeping like crazy? Can you hear my phone beeping?
No,
We're gonna put cones on.
glad I like I said, when we have like motorcycles go by and you don't hear it, so it's not picking up the outside noises, so that's good.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right, they're having
Starting to
us
get.
build and you got to just hold it in midair while you're building.
Mhm.
To me, it's weird, still weird to be building all this green. Why won't that go in there? Do I have something wrong? Do I have the wrong green piece?
I don't even know what I'm building. It must be some kind of stem.
Yeah, yeah, there it goes. It would not go through the green piece. There we
Oh, that
go.
little green, like head of a carrot, or oh, it went through. Mine went
Well,
through.
one of mine, I had to take it off and send
Oh,
it through. Hopefully I have the
there we
right
go.
end in.
Right. I think that's right. And where does it attach? Um,
You
ooh,
build some stem cones on your stem for them to slide into. Oh,
okay, there we
I
go.
get them upside down. Okay. Then that is going to go on the right side of this branch thing we built. All right. Oh, except for you're supposed to have one up, one down. Okay, gotta pull that back off there.
I got mine. Ooh, little talons. These must be the talons. Four of them. They're
All
very
right, my
small.
orientation
And
for this stem thing does not want to go in either the direction.
I
So,
have the green things spacing down.
well, one goes up, one goes down.
I don't think it matters, does it?
You know what? It's a tree. Who cares? The tree will do its own thing.
If
You,
it gets in the way of the parrot, then we'll move it.
all right. So we
Oh,
gotta
I
just,
am going to lose a piece on the floor for sure on this one. I got to be very careful. These pieces are extremely small.
you know what's funny is I didn't expect it to be four separate pieces to make the talons, but it is. All right. So the talon has to point away from the hook. The thing is, though, this post still is very wiggly. Oh, his toenail's crooked. I tried so hard to keep it straight, and then when I put it on, I moved it.
Ooh, okay. Man, though, it's still turning around real easy, isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, that's good. Then I'll make it easier for me to maybe put these on. These are very fiddly.
All right.
Straight down.
Yeah. You turn them down. The weight will probably keep it a little bit steady then.
I would hope so, but we'll find out.
Yeah. All right. Now a brown cone on the other end. Oopsie. All right. Now I'm getting into the bird's butt. I can tell this is the bird butt.
So you're starting the bird now,
Yeah, the bird
or are
butt's
we
the next
going to?
step. Is
How
my
long
next.
have we been talking?
Oh, goodness.
Maybe we should do this in 2 parts. Just a thought. Or a marathon.
All right, you know what? Hey, everybody, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. You see where we are. Lego Sue, do you have yours up there? Yep, you do have yours up there to see. So we're about to start the bird butt. So we're going to do that in another video because we'd rather you watch us multiple short times than abandon ship because we were too long. See you soon. Like, subscribe, all that jazz.